Hello everyone, we are going to cook chicken Karahi or Pakistani chicken Karahi in a very simple recipe. We need onion, tomatoes, green chili, chili powder, garlic paste, ginger paste, coriander powder, and 2 kilos of chicken. We are going to boil the tomatoes first. Alright, just like that. While boiling it, let us fry the onions. Here I use 2 tablespoons of oil, right? And then while frying it, let us check the tomato. So it should be like that. It should look like a paste. So now it's ready. Let us check the onions. So now the onions is also almost ready. It's golden brown right now. So let us add all those ingredients. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, then mix them well and add salt for taste. Alright, so it's up to you how much do you want. And then add the green chili powder. Here I use 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. And coriander, I use 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Right, mix them well like that. Make sure that they are mixed well. Then let us add the chicken. Right, so mix it. Then cover it for 10 minutes. Let it boil. Then check. So now it looks half cooked. So let us add the tomato paste, which be boiled. Alright, just like that. Okay, mix again. And after that, add 1 glass of water. Mixed a little bit. Alright, don't over mix to avoid destroying the meat. So here, let us cover it and cook it for 30 minutes in a low fire so that it will be soft. The meat will be soft. So here, it's done. Just as simple as that. So you can use a garnish, or you can garnish it with sliced ginger, lemon, coriander leaves, and anything that you wish.